What's up my people, it's your girl Donna and I'm here with another video. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you will be the first to know when I upload my next video. Cabbage and saltfish day today. I'm going to cook some cabbage and saltfish with kale and carrots. Let's dive right into it. So I boiled the saltfish for about 5 minutes. Wash all the vegetable. Cut up the kale. And I cut up the cabbage with some carrots. The next thing I do, cut up some scallion. There you go. With thyme, tomato, bell pepper, otherwise known as sweet pepper, and some onion. The saltfish is boiled, so I clean up the saltfish and I pick it up small, wash it off with some water. The pot is hot, so I add some olive oil. I let it well hot. Fry up the saltfish, then add the seasoning to it. Fry up the seasoning with the saltfish. Get that flavor into the seasoning from the saltfish and the saltfish in the seasoning. Then I add the kale. The kale is a little harder to cook, so I add the kale first. Cover it up for about 3 minutes. And then I add the cabbage. There you have it. Looks good already, right? Now I'm going to add the cabbage. And then I had like a 1/4 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose. That gave it such a nice flavor. 1 tablespoon of butter. There you go. So now I stir that in. And that's how I steam my cabbage with kale, saltfish, carrots in 10 minutes, and that's all done. Nice and crunchy on a low fire. So there you have it, guys. That's how I steam my vegetable. Very simple. I keep stirring because I want the season to soak in the vegetable. It's not gonna stay long on the fire, so I gotta keep stir the vegetable so the season could get to soak into it, right? So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Now I'm gonna tell you that a little bit about my other dishes that I have. That was my ackee and saltfish. Now is my okra and saltfish. This is my brown stew fish, my chicken foot with vegetable soup, barbecue chicken, and sweet potato pudding. Hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.